So viewer, in this video we will learn how to make passport size and stamp size photos. So first of all, we have to open a picture. Already I have opened a picture here, and then what you have to do is go to crop tools here, and this is the width, height and resolution. You have to select this option, and here already I have in passport size photos. So for making passport size photos, what you have to do is you have to write here 1.5. As I have already 1.5, so no need to change here 1.5, and here you need to write for height is 1.9. so already I have 1.9, it is 1.9, and resolution for passport size photos we need 300. So after writing here 300, we can drag this button here and decrease the size according to our expectation. As we are making passport size photos, you can choose according to your wish. I think it is better. And then for cropping this picture, you can press enter button, or you can tick this button here. So you can tick this button, and this is my passport size photos. So if you want to save this picture, what you have to do is you have to go to file and go to save as. So where you want to save this picture, so you have to write the image name, and then you have to save as JPG file. Here there is lots of format you can save, but for your applying or any sort of application you need JPG file. So that's why you have to select this option and press the save buttons. So here it is one important thing is you have to maintain your image size. As most of the academic and application forms, your picture size is below the 100 KB. So it is 65 KB. It can be well, but if you need to increase or decrease the picture, you can select this option, or you can select this here low, medium, high, maximum, etc. So medium is great well. So then you have to press the OK button. So I have saved my stamp size passport size picture. For making a stamp size picture, what you have to do is you have to open a passport size picture. This is my passport size picture. I have to open it. Open the picture. The size of stamp size you need to require is it is same. It will be same 1.5 inch and 1.9 inch. Just you need to change here 150. Then the size will be stamp size picture. Okay. So now you can press enter button or this tick option. So it is my stamp size picture. We can save this picture like that. Go to save option and select the JPG format, and you can change your picture name, stamp, and you can save. So here you can change your picture size, medium or high. Sorry, this is here. I press OK button. So if I want to open my picture, this is my stamp size photos. So okay, this is all for today. I hope you like it, and if you like, please subscribe my channels. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that keep loving and stay healthy.